Good morning. My name is Daphney Musakanyi. I'm a second-year MBChB student at Texila American University, and I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm here to talk about my experience at Texila American University. So the best thing that I like about Texila is the education and the learning process. I really like that the lecturers are very willing to help you walk through the learning process, and they're even willing to help you learn outside of the planned lectures. I also like the labs at Texila American University, and my favorite in particular is the anatomy lab. I like that it has a lot of anatomical models to help you visualize the anatomy that you'll be learning and just to help you learn better. I also like the library at Texila American University, where you can sit during your free time or when you don't have lessons and actually study and learn, and you can even take out books to study and learn when you're at home. I also like that Texila offers various online platforms to learn from, and my favorite one is Lecturio, where you can view online videos to learn and just to be creative and more curious about medicine, even topics that you're not yet doing. Thank you.